Hi friends! Do you ever feel frustrated trying to draw folds on clothing, only to have them look stiff or unrealistic? Maybe you're designing a character and find that the clothing just doesn't feel right. Or perhaps you're just not sure how to start improving your fold drawing skills. So, where do you usually practice drawing folds? In the park, at the studio, checking references on the web, or maybe just sketching yourself in the mirror? All of these are great ways to start. Observing real people in motion, or even studying your own reflection, helps you see how folds change and flow with each movement. But don't worry if folds seem complex. By focusing on a few key points, you'll be able to draw any type of clothing with ease. Let's dive into these essentials and make folds work for you. Now, let's warm up with our first practice. I found a reference image of a towel on Pinterest, and we're going to break it down into simple shapes. Watch as I divide it into 4 basic parts. Now, let's outline these shapes, giving them a sense of rhythm, almost like music. Even with just 4 parts, we want to emphasize the main areas with more folds, while keeping others simpler, even if they seem complex at first. Then, we'll move on to detailing, using strokes to express the texture and bring the drawing to life. Now that we've practiced simplifying folds with the towel, let's move on to another example, drawing pants. Just like before, we'll break the shape down into manageable sections, as you can see in this sketch. Take your time with me as we go through each part. You can see I've divided the entire shape of the pants into 6 parts. For each part, I've analyzed which areas need more focus in detail, and which can have less detail to create a balanced visual representation. If the video feels fast, don't worry, let's break it down. First, start with a basic outline, focusing on the overall shape without detail. Next, divide the shape into sections, as shown, using the numbered parts to guide you. This helps simplify your approach and makes the drawing process clearer. Finally, observe your drawing and think like a director. Which part do you want to highlight? Focus your details there, and simplify the rest to create a balanced rhythm. Practice this method to build confidence and master natural folds. Keep at it, and it will soon feel natural. Happy drawing!